Today I have a wonderful seafood recipe for you. It's shrimp boil in a packet, an aluminum foil packet. So delicious, oh so easy. You're gonna love this recipe because it takes just minutes to prep. What's even better, this recipe only takes 20 minutes to cook, either on the grill or in your oven. You don't have to depend on the weather. You can have a delicious shrimp boil any time of year. It's a one pan recipe or a one packet recipe. There's nothing not to love about that. And the cleanup is a breeze because you just wrap that foil pan up and you just toss it in your trash. I'm starting with 12 to 18 shrimp that are the size 16 to 21 in a pound. To that, I'm going to sprinkle 1 generous teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning. And I'm going to toss that around to make sure that my shrimp are all coated with the Old Bay seasoning. These shrimp are shelled and deveined. You're going to want to make sure that either you buy them that way or that you're prepared to do that ahead of time. These were frozen shrimp that I thawed earlier today. In this bowl, I have 4 tablespoons of butter with 2 tablespoons of white wine, and you can use either white wine or lemon juice, 2 tablespoons. And to that, I'm adding a generous spoonful of Better Than Bouillon chicken flavoring. And I'm going to mix that together until it's well combined. And then I'm going to set that aside for a bit. Now we're ready to make our packet. I have taken 2 pieces of aluminum foil, and I'm going to lay them one on the other crossways. Make your pieces about 2 feet long each, and then crisscross them so they're doubled in the center. And you're going to want to use 2 pieces of foil because you need the double layers of the foil in order to protect your ingredients from the heat of the grill. Onto these layers of aluminum foil, I'm going to add the ingredients. 1 packet is going to feed 2 adults. So if you're having 4 people, you'll just be making 2 packets. So what we are using for our packets are 8 small little potatoes. These are Yukon Golds. You can use any small potato. You want to cut them so that they are about the same size. I'm going to add 4 small pieces of fresh corn on the cob. I'm using sausage. In this case, this is kielbasa. 1 onion that's been cut into 8 pieces. You can see that this is a nice generous packet. And the shrimp. Next, take your butter, bouillon, and wine mixture or lemon juice and pour that over the ingredients of the packet. Sprinkle 1 more teaspoon of the Old Bay seasoning over all of the ingredients. Just make sure that you have it distributed well. A sprinkling of fresh cut parsley is a really nice touch.
Pull the top sheet of foil up to the center, fold the ends over on themselves to create a seal, and do the same with the sides of this part so you create a nice packet.
Turn either your grill on or your oven on to 450 degrees to preheat. When you're ready to cook your packets, you're going to cook them for 20 minutes. Either on your grill or in your oven. There's no need to turn the packet. Just insert a knife in the potatoes to make sure that they're tender. When they're tender, it's time to eat.